Alright, so now we're going to tear apart the carburetor. I'm going to pull the bowl off and see what it looks like in there. So you got these 4 screws. There, 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 and there. And that should let us see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. That is not supposed to be black. It's supposed to be aluminum color. So, and it's got a bug in it. I don't know if you can see it, but so let's see here. Yeah, that's a fly. In there, but it did. It's pretty gross. Obviously, all that crusty stuff isn't supposed to be in there. Take it out and show you in the sun. It is in bad shape. So we're gonna tear it apart and order a kit for it. So everything is plugged up full of crap. Alright, let's pull the top off and see what the diaphragm looks like. She's trying to strip. One more. She's the worst looking one out of all of them. So. She's in rough shape. Somebody's done messed her up. Alright, so we're just going to make it a flathead. And that's how you do that. Alright, so here's the screw after I got it removed. Just cut a slice in it with the Dremel. I know it's not perfectly center. It doesn't have to be, as you can tell. So it came out. I got the bowl cleaned up. Not black anymore. That's what it's supposed to look like. It still has a little bit of dirt in it, but it's a whole lot better than it was.